Supremos versus Xavier United. May we request all players to proceed at the center court. Again, may we request all players to proceed to the center court. Thank you.
QHS ABL Season 14, Igniting Legacy. The players gathered to the center. The players here are gathered to the center to talk about the officials' rules and to obey the referee's calls. All right. Shout out to our viewers. More likely all of you are from XUHS. Shout out to you guys.
ABL Season 14 would like to thank our major sponsor, TaylorMade, Powerhouse Studios, Intalia States, and Shave Bar. First five at the center. Xavier United versus Supremos.
Jump ball. This game is played between Xavier United and 1994 Supremos. Ball is held by Valencia. Steal by United. Steal again by Valencia. Valencia all the way. Pass to number 65. Pass to number 00. Lazo for 3, no good. Rebound by number 25. Back to Lazo. Pass to number 65. No foul called.
Time remaining 8 minutes and 50 seconds.
Sabuga. Pass to San Jose for 3. No good. Rebound by number 45. Valencia. Valencia pass to 25. To number 65, 2 points.
Bagao, 2 points. Bagao.
Supremos, 2 against 0. Sabuga, pass to number 11. Wide open, no good. Number 65 to Valencia. Behind the back, wow. Valencia. Pass to number 65 again. No good. Rebound by number 5. Pass to number 34. Fast break to number 20. Layup. Couldn't connect. Supremos. Valencia. Valencia calling the play. Valencia to Lazo. Lazo for 3. 3 points.
Nueva. 3.
Governor Lazo.
Lazo, 3.
5 against 0. Supremos lead. Sabuga behind the back pass to number 34 to number 11. Number 11 using the board, no good. Rebound by number 40, Valencia. Valencia nagmamadali. Valencia on the baseline, pass to number 40. Pass to Lazo for 3 again. No good. Rebound by Sabuga. Behind the back pass to number 11. Number 11 to San Jose. To number 5. Out of bounds.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 19 seconds.
Valencia. Valencia. Pass to number 35. Fake pass to number 40. No good. Rebound by Lazo. Pass to Valencia. Open for 3. No good again. Number 11 to Sabuga. Sabuga. Pass to number 5. Nice defense by Lazo. 5 minutes and 48 seconds for the first quarter. Number 11, sayang. Lazo for the fast break. Lazo. Pass on number 65. Hindi pumasok. Doliente. Pass on number 5. Number 5. Fouled by Valencia.
Valencia, first personal foul, first team foul. Supremos.
Valencia's first personal foul. Team Supremos. San Jose. San Jose for 3. Wala. Rebound ni Lazo. Valencia. 1-on-1. Valencia sidestep. No good. Rebound by number 34. Doliente. Pass to number 34. 34. Free throw line. No good. Rebound by number 65. Pass to Valencia. Valencia. Di naabot.
Next 5.
Substitution. 5 out for Team Supremos. and also the other team, Xavier United. 5 in, 5 out. Xavier United ball. Number 21, Racines. Giving the ball. Pass to number 17. Number 15, Cuevas. Can't connect. Number 39. Number 39. Penetrates. Left-handed layup. No good. Rebound by his teammate. Number 26. Still no good. Racines. Pass break to number 19, Padilla. To Cuevas. Open for perimeter. Connect. 2 points. Cuevas.
2 points.
Number 7. Geroy. Number 20 to 91 for 3. Air ball. Rebound by number 17. Number 17, Tan. Tan dribbling the ball. Tan all the way. Nice pass sa ilalim. Foul.
Foul number 39, Cadiz. Cadiz, first personal foul. Second team foul.
Foul by Cadiz. First throw is no good. Second throw. Yes, 2 point. 1 point. Cadiz. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 91. Nagdadalawang isip. Wala. Nice spin move by number 26. Steal by number 17. Fast break to number 19. Padilla. Padilla. Double team. Padilla pass to number 17. Open perimeter. Connect. 2 points.
2 points. Stop. Time out.
Time out. 1994 Supremos. Score 5-all. The time remaining is 2 minutes and 55 seconds. We'd like to thank our event sponsors, Tailor Made by Olive, Italia Estates, The Shave Bar, and Powerhouse Studios. Thank you for your support.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 55 seconds for
Alright.
the first quarter.
Let's get back to the ball game. Supremos ball. Cadiz. Cadiz. Steal by Padilla. Padilla. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Gets a foul.
Who's foul, right? Foul number 20.
Cuevas on the line.
Niles.
First throw is good.
Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Second is also good. Now the Xavier United lead is 2. Number 26. Tan. Tan stolen by number 26. Number 26, Falcon. Falcon crossover. Pass to his teammate. Short. Rebound by Padilla. Padilla. Pass to Racines. Racines looking for his teammate. Racines. Pass to Padilla. Communication. There's a miscom right there. Vega Fria, pass to Falcon. Falcon to Cadiz, 4-3. Hindi tumama. Number 12, number 15. Nice pass to Padilla. Easy 2 points. Pa-relax lang. Number 20. Number 20, nagmamadali. Gets a foul.
Foul. 21, Racines. Racines, first personal foul.
Fouled by Racines.
First team foul.
Number 20. First throw is good. Second throw don't connect.
1 minute.
Cuevas. Stolen by number 20. Blind pass to the opponent, Racines. Racines.
Racines.
Using the board. Cadiz. Cadiz harassed
40
by Racines.
seconds.
Number 20. 2 points.
Giles.
Racines. Sa ilalim ng 11. What a nice spin move. Steal by number 91. Pass to Falcon. 15 seconds. Falcon.
10 seconds.
Falcon. No good. Rebound by his teammate.
5.
5 seconds. Geroy. Number 20.
Time for the
End of
first
the
quarter.
First quarter. Score. 11 against 8. In favor of Xavier United.
We'd like to thank our event sponsors, tailor-made by Olive, Italia Estates, The Shape Bar, and Powerhouse Studios. Thank you all for your support.
Here are the highlights for the first quarter. Right, everyone? Kumain na ba kayo? If you want to watch us live, just search on FB. Powerhouse Studios. Or
Second
you
quarter.
may come here at Xavier University Gymnasium. Time for the second quarter. The Supremos are still trailing by 3 points. Dabatian to number 45. Number 45, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 45, nice pass sa ilalim. Number 13, nakita ni ref. Double dribble violation. Merong misunderstanding nangyari. The Xavier United. Nalilito na sila. Alright, shout out to our viewers. Shout out to our
Back to the ball game.
Laybon. Steal by Peñaflor. 45 pass to Abad. Abad spin move. Nice pass to Peñaflor.
Foul. Time out.
Time out.
Foul number 11, Dulete.
Time out, Xavier.
Dulete,
United.
first personal foul, first team foul.
Once again, we would like to thank our event sponsors. Tailor Made by Olive, Intalia Estates, the Shave Bar, and the Powerhouse Studios. Thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the ball game. Abad. Pass to Peñaflor. Rebound by number 14. Nice fake. Foul.
Kabamba, first personal foul, second team foul.
Grabe, tumatalon pa rin kahit matanda na.
Time remaining 9 minutes and 12 seconds.
First throw is no good.
Score 11-8 in favor of Xavier United.
Rebound by number 45.
2 points.
And a nice putback by number 45. Number 20. Naghahanap ng kapasan. Pass to number 8. Harassed by Abad. Abad. Pass to Peñaflor. To Valencia. Valencia fake. Valencia. Pass to Abad. Nice pass to Peñaflor.
5 seconds to shoot.
Valencia resets. Valencia. Pass to Dabatia for 3. No good. Rebound by number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Doliente. Doliente. Pass to number 5. Fake. Easy. 2 points. By number 5. Nice fake there by
Foul number
Valencia.
20.
Foul by number 20, Sabuga.
Sambuga, first personal foul, third team foul.
Valencia complete the 3-point play. Second throw. Grabe. Shooter. Number 8. Fouled by number 17.
Foul number 17, Dabadian. Dabadian, first personal foul. First team foul.
Grabe, may pa full court press tong tong Supremos. Number 8. Wow. Kaso wala na shoot. Valencia nagmamadali. Pass to Abad. No good. Rebound by Peñaflor. Peñaflor penetrates. Peñaflor fouled by number 8.
Foul number 8. Warning for penalty. Warning pa. 4.
Inbound by Abad. Pass to number 14. Foul is called.
Foul number 5, Kabaraban.
Paharen.
Kabaraban, second personal foul. Penalty.
First throw is no good.
Time remaining 7 minutes and 9 seconds.
Nice good there. Ha? Gusto ka? San Jose. Pass to their point guard, Sabuga. And the referee called backcourt violation. Supremos ball. Abad. Pass to Valencia. For 3. Dito maama sa ring. Sabugaa. And the ball is back again to the Supremos. Abad. Abad sa gitna. Tinawagan ng traveling. Sabugaa. Number 8. Pass to San Jose. Wide open for 3. In and out. Rebound by number 14. Pass to Valencia. Valencia.
Valencia!
Parang high school lang. Sabugaa. Nice passing there by Xavier United. Number 17. Steal by number 8. But still Supremos ball. (17) to Valencia. Valencia. Pass to Peñaflor. Pass number 14 sa gitna. Hustle play by Abad.
Shot clock, 6 seconds to shoot.
Bola pa rin sa Supremos. 6 to shoot. Grabe. What a nice passing
Peñaflor.
by the Supremos.
Substitution. Next 5.
The score is now deadlock. 15. Substitution. 5 in and 5 out for both teams.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Templars ball. Racines. Pass to Tan. Tan sizing up. Tan. Nice pass to number 11, number 19. Rebound by 36. To Lazo. Lazo for 3. No good. Rebound by Tan. Tan pass to Padilla. To number 15. Number 15. That's a foul from
Foul number 26, Falcon. Falcon, first personal foul, second team foul.
There's a foul from Falcon. Tan pass to Cuevas. Cuevas back to Tan. Open perimeter. 2 points. Lazo open again for 3. Couldn't connect. Hustle play by Lazo. Falcon.
10
Pass
seconds
to
to
number
shoot.
80. Nice pass sa ilalim to number 40. 2
2
points.
points.
Number 40. Racines. Padilla. Pass to number 15. Cuevas for 3. Short. Rebound by Falcon. Pass to Lazo. Lazo.